Dave Finnegan. I used to go from school to school all over the country teaching kids, teachers, and parents how to juggle with a program that we called Juggling for Success. After we taught them with nylon scarves, we'd move everybody on to bean bags. But now you're stuck at home. What are you going to juggle with? I'll show you. We're going to use plastic bags. You start with 1, go to 2, and pretty soon you're juggling 3. It's just like juggling with the scarves, except you have sound effects. And we're going to use socks. These are unmatched socks. You know the kind that lose their partner? You've got a bunch of them around the house, I bet. We did. They have to be different. You don't want 3 that are the same. You want 3 that are different. Well, I've filled 2 up already. Here's the third one. I'll show you what you do. You measure out the same amount of grain for each one. I'm using black beans here, but you could use rice or you could use whatever you want. Don't cook it. It's dry. And pour it into the sock. And then don't tie off the sock. Instead, take that little ball, the sock ball at the bottom, and roll it up and roll it up and roll it up. And then tuck the sock ball into the cuff of the sock. And now you've got perfect juggling sock balls. So we're going to do baggling with the plastic bags and sockling with the sock balls, and everybody learns. This isn't just for kids. Make sure your grown-up gets a chance to learn too, because the family that juggles together snuggles together. Okay, thanks a lot. I'll see you on the next video.